First, open the box with the chair. Then remove the seat cushion, stool box, light pole, light head, and other small components. Remove the packaging material carefully. First, connect all the cables and wires from the delivery system to the chair, which are numbered and marked. Remove the safety screws that attach the chair to the pallet. Unplug all the cables that connect the chair and delivery system. Remove the chair by holding the metal parts and place it on a dolly to take it inside the operatory. 2 men recommended. Then remove the delivery system by using 8mm Allen wrench and take it inside the operatory. Remember to save the 4 screws to later attach the delivery system to the chair. 2 men recommended. Then connect all the cables from the delivery system and chair, which are numbered and marked. Tie the excess wires together. Then attach the delivery system using 2-prong guides and install it with the 4 screws provided. Make sure to balance the chair with base screws provided. Then open the light arm box and connect the pieces as shown. Insert the light wire from the scissor arm through the straight pole. Connect the light wire to the chair and install the light pole to the chair using the guide shown. Install the light head. If you do not wish to install the Cuspidor, make sure to remove it and shut down the water using the valves shown. You can disconnect the electric valves and cover the hole using the cap provided. Connect the water and air valves in the junction box with 3/8 shutoff valves. Connect the smaller clear tubing to vacuum the larger tubing to drain with the tubing provided. You may need different fittings based on the connection you may have previously. Securely tie the extra cables to the chair. Install all the plastic covers back in the chair. Install the headrest, backrest, and seat as shown. You may adjust the headrest as needed for the 3500 series chairs. Install the plastic cover under the seat. Then install the plastic protected cover for seat and tray liner on the tray provided. Install the headrest, backrest, and seat as shown. Use the guides and screws provided. You may adjust the headrest as needed for 2000 series chair. Install the headlight for the 2000 series chair. Then plug the chair to a 110 volt outlet and turn on the water and air. Identify the water and air pressure gauges in the J-box. Make sure to have 60 to 70 psi for air and 40 psi for water pressure. You may adjust that with regulators in the J-box. Foot control, water on off switch for handpiece, chip air button, cup filter and cuspidor rinse and joystick controller. Movable armrests. Light can be turned on with the button on the touchpad and controlled by a sensor or switch. Master switch for air and water on off. Water pressure adjustment for each handpiece. Air pressure control for each handpiece. Air brake to adjust the tray. In the doctor's touchpad, you have the chair movement buttons. 9 programmable memory positions. To program, press set. When the light turns green, move to the position you like and press memory 1 and continue for the rest of the 8 positions. Warm water button. Cuspidor rinse and cup filter control, light on off control, air pressure gauge for handpiece. You may adjust the headrest as needed for the 2000 series chair. Headrest control, assistance touchpad control. Look at the high suction connection. Standard suction trap with filter. Also, you may add another suction if needed, drilling a hole through the extra connector. Once you make the hole, run the tubing as shown and connect to the connector. You may use either city or bottled water with these switches. You may connect the Cavitron by using the water connection provided. You have the water and air connection on the side of the box. Also comes with cuspidor cap in the event that you do not use a cuspidor in your chair. Water bottle must use distilled water. On the other side of the delivery box is where you have the main PC board. Caution: make sure to turn off the main power switch and master switch for the air and water once you finish using the chair. We recommend you use certified dental repair technician. Thank you for purchasing ADC Dental Chairs. For more information, visit us at affordabledentalchairs.com.